So today I'll basically tell you few things that you need to do in your everyday life. The first thing that you should do is wake up early. Once when you wake up early, do make your bed. Do not keep making your bed a pending work. The second thing, do spend some time with yourself and with the nature. Go for some physical training according to your capacity and your requirement. After doing some physical exercises, go for about 15 to 30 minutes of meditation. Some guided meditation techniques are available in the YouTube. But if you wish you have to stay away from the gadgets, it's okay. Sit down, spend some time with the nature, accept the sounds of the surroundings, observe your breath. Okay, so the third thing, do not spend more than 30 minutes in the entire day watching news. Try spending time with yourselves and for your loved ones. Okay, so if at all you feel like not talking to someone, if at all you feel like being quiet for some times, it's okay. It's absolutely okay. And if you ever required to seek for some help, remember getting in a help from a professional people and getting in a help from your friends are different. Do not consider your friends to be your therapist. Remember this. Do not consider your friend to be your therapist. If at all you are or you required ever to visit a therapist, it's okay, because it's not that anyone who visits a therapist is not okay. It's absolutely okay to visit a therapist even if you are okay. So during this pandemic, a lot of professional people, a lot of counselors have come up providing online help, online counseling services. You can avail them. Okay, so the last thing, practice gratitude. Be thankful to every nano thing that you have or that happens in your life. For the people around, for the things, for the dress, for the shoes, for everything that you have. Be thankful. Because happiness does not bring gratitude. Gratitude brings happiness. And the more we value things in our life, the greater are the chances of that reoccurring in our lives. And in the end, do not forget to smile. Because everything in life is just a phase and it too shall pass. So do not forget to hold the smile on your face. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, take care. And if you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.